Hi guys, welcome back to Derby Koi. Now, I was going to move the fish over today because I'm really happy with the temperatures. The more there or thereabouts, leaving the door open overnight really helped. So I was going to do it today, but unfortunately something's come up, so I can't do it today now. Hopefully I can do it tomorrow. Like I say, bringing leaving the door open has brought the temperature right down now, and it's been quite warm outside, which brought the temperature up outside as well. So we're in just under a degree difference, so I'm happy with that. Within 1.5 degrees to 2 degrees it would have been alright, but it brought it down quite a bit late overnight, or was it overnight? Yeah, it's probably about 10 hours now the door has been open, and it is early morning now, and it's quite cool this morning still, so temperatures are roughly where we need them, so I'm very happy about that. So yeah, not doing today, so hopefully nothing else comes up and we'll do it tomorrow, so I'll catch you later. Okay guys, next day now, back in the bunker. Now I have decided I am going to move some of these fish over. I've got one in the main pond that I'm going to bring into the bunker because that one is available for sale, and it's the Ki Utsuri, and I've got a Ki Utsuri here that's going to go in the main pond. I'm going to put my 3-step Kohaku in and my Shiro in the main pond. I have got a goshki in here as well, which should go in the main pond, but I'm leaving him in here to grow on a little bit. So he's not nowhere near as big as the others, so he's going to stay in here and grow on. Not sure on the shower if I'm keeping one of the shower or not. I'll decide they can stay in here for now. So I'm going to put 3 into the pond and 1 from the pond into the bunker. And that'll give me a little bit of time then before I go away to settle in, and hopefully no issues. The ones in the bunker now, there's no issues. This is salted, so obviously there's no flicking and flashing or anything else in here. I haven't noticed anything in the pond. They're all looking good, so hopefully, fingers crossed, they'll all settle in well. So I'll come back to you. I'm going to get them in the, it's going to take a bit of a time. I don't want to use all the bags in one go, so I want to put, I think I've got 2 bags here. 1, 2. See how many bags I've got. I do need to get some more actually. Whether to put all 3 in there in one go, and then get the Ki Utsuri from the main pond into here, I don't know yet. I'll say I might just do 2, put them in, then do another one, then let them settle in as well. So we're going to acclimate it into the pond, because they're in here at the moment. What we at? Just under 17, and the pond out there is just about 15.5. So about 1.5 to 2 degrees difference. So I'm going to let them acclimate in the bags, and then I'll get them in the bowl, measure them up before they go in the main pond, and I can take new pictures for myself as well, for my cold control app, and then I'll get them in. So let's get going. Hey guys, just walking around, I'll quickly put the camera on. I don't know if I caught it, but there's a World War II bomber going over. They do come over occasionally. By the time you hear them, if you're inside, you normally miss them. I get them, and we've had a couple of Spitfires over in the past, so I don't know if I caught that. Anyway, I've got 3 floating. There's the Shiro, the 3-step Kohaku, and the Ki Utsuri. Now Ki Utsuri is quite a big one, and he did thrash around. When I was put him in the net, he really had a good thrash in the net, and he has lost a couple of scales. So I'll get him in the bowl and check him over. Hopefully he's okay. Fish lose scale all the time, I do know that. He really was thrashing around in that, so he didn't like being in the net. I don't think I've had him in the net since I've had him, so yeah, he didn't like it. So these are floating now. What time is it? If you can see me watch. I'll give these half an hour, I'd say, and then I'll get them in the bowl, measure them up and get them in, and then I've got to get that Ki Utsuri out and stick him round in the bunker, because that one is for sale. If anybody's interested, I'll get him in the bowl later and you'll see him. So yeah, I'll leave these for a bit and I'll come back to you. Okay, this is the Ki Utsuri. I'm putting in the pond, currently at 49 centimetres, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see, just here he lost a couple of scales at the back when he was thrashing around in the net, but I think he's okay. Apart from that, it's a beautiful fish. So I want to put him in the pond. I am going to be sticking Vercon in the pond anyway, so that helped with his scales. So 49 centimetres. Really happy with that one. Let's get him in the pond. Okay, this is the Shiro, and they are currently at 42 centimetres. Obviously he's looking a little pink because he's stress been in the bag. 42 cm, let's get him in the pond. And this one is the 3-step Kohaku, currently at 37 centimetres. Okay, so it's all three in. There's the monster of the Ki Utsuri. The Shiro is over there. And where's my 3-step gone? 3-step just down there. Now they're in natural light. The colours should come out a bit more. You look at that Ki Utsuri compared to this one that's coming out. That's been in natural, a bit more natural light. That was a bit more vibrant than that one, but now it's in the sun. Hopefully we can get some colour into it. So I've now got to get that one out. Let's get that sorted. Okay, and this is the one I'm moving back in, well, not back into the bunker, I'm moving to the bunker. A 45 cm Ki Utsuri, and this one is available for sale. If anybody's interested, I can't remember the name of the breeder, which is Japanese. 45 cm. Okay, it's that Ki Utsuri round here now. It is a Yamazaki Ki Utsuri at 45 cm. Everything in here, apart from the little goshki and possibly one of the showers, is available. I've got a Sankey, 2 Sankeys, 2 showers, Tancho Sankey, the Ginrin Sankey, I think it's a Ginrin Sankeys, Ki Utsuri, there's an Asagi, there's a Harawaki, there's a Shishui, a 2-step Kohaku, there's a Tancho, God, which one it is now. There's another Tancho in there anyway. And that's it, the Yamabuki I'm keeping. Oh, there's a Platinum Ogon as well in there. So, probably because you can actually see them, but if there's anything you fancy, give me a message on Facebook or send me an email and we'll sort out some pictures for you and I'll give you a good price. So yeah, another job done. Okay, so all those are now moved over where I need them. For now, I'm not moving anymore yet. So the goshki I'm going to grow a little bit more in here, especially now the summer's here, and get some heat in here now. Get the heat back up, and we get that moved over. Don't know if it'll be this year, maybe next year if not. And I'm going to same with the Yamabuki, I'm grabbing that on as well. Now there is the other Kohaku in the main pond, the one that had knocked its head. It is getting better, so that one is available as well. That one I might have mentioned before, if somebody wants it they can have it. I'm thinking of just moving it around in here after the holiday. I'll move it into here because it is salted in here, so that will help it as well to heal a bit better. But if anybody wants it, just let me know, you can have it. Because I do need to make a bit of room in the pond as well. Yeah, so happy the way it's gone today. Still looking into that heater, don't know which way to go yet. So I was looking at that little outdoor living heater, but I am thinking maybe the Thermatech mini one as well. It's a bit more money, but that will work down to lower temperatures. If anybody's used either of those, I know there's a couple of YouTubers have got the Thermatech, and a couple of them have got the one, possibly one I know of, maybe two that got the other one. So if anybody else has got one and they've been using it through the winter, especially the winter, because that's when I'm going to be using it, if you can let me know what your running costs are for your little grow-ons if you're using it for that, I'd really appreciate it, especially when the temperature's down to 0 temperatures type things. But I am, as I said, I am thinking of running it so the intake is at the back, so it draws the air in the bunker, which will be a little bit warmer anyway, and the cold will be pumped out the front. I know some people have had it just sat outside, doing it that way. So if you have got one and you've been running it through the winter, I'd appreciate letting me know how it's been running and what temperatures you've got it up to and kept it at, and just an idea on running costs as well. I'd really appreciate it, especially if your grow-on is inside. Obviously it's going to be a lot cooler if it's outside, but if you're inside, that'd be really fantastic. Even if you're outside, I'd appreciate it, just your bit of input and feedback on it. Just to keep on that, with either of those heaters, I'd really appreciate it. So yeah, don't forget the koi collection open day on the 7th of June. It'd be great to see you there. As I said before, it's open to everybody, just come along on the day. 7 o'clock 7th of June, 10 AM until 4 PM. There'll be lots of koi coming out of quarantine. I've got all various sizes and prices. Some really good deals on the day. Food will be there as well, some refreshments, hot and cold drinks, normally hot dogs, and there'll be some sweet snacks I'll be taking along as well. So it'd be great to see you there, and come and say hello. Come and have a great day there. It's always a great time at the koi collection. It'd be great to see you. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Pop on over to Facebook, Instagram and now TikTok. And until the next one, as always, stay safe. Jobs are good.